大家好，谢谢你们的观看。Which one is the book? Which one is the book? Which one is the book? Book, 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 book. How do you say book? How do you say book? Book. This is how you say book. Which one is the teacher? Which one is the teacher? The teacher. The teacher. Is this the teacher? Is this the teacher? No, this is not the teacher. No, this is not the teacher. Is this the teacher? No. What is this? What is this? This is a book. This is a book. This is not a teacher. This is not a teacher. This is the teacher. This is the teacher. Which one is the student? Is this the student? No, this is not the student. What is this? What is this? This is a book. Is this the student? No, this is not the student. What is this? This is the teacher. This is the teacher. Is this the student? Yes, this is the student. This is the student.
Student.
How do you say student? How do you say student?
Student.
Student. This is how you say student. This is how you say student. This is how you say. This is how you say student.
Your teacher.
Use Chinese to write this sentence. Use Chinese to write this sentence. Your teacher. Your. You is 你 you 就是你加上一个 r 意思就变成了你的 add an r and the meaning becomes 意思就变成 the meaning becomes 意思就变成了你的 your teacher 老师 your teacher fill in the blank fill in the blank fill in the blank. I like your book. I like your book. I like your book. 那为什么不可以说 you? I like you book. I like you book. I like you book 就是我喜欢你书。I like your 你需要加上那个 r. You need to add the r. You need to add 你需要加上那个 r. You need to add the r. I like your book.
Your student.
Use Chinese to write the sentence. Your student. Your student.
I like my book.
Use Chinese to write the sentence. I like my book. I like my book. When we have you 就是你 your 就是你的 you your I 就是我不可以加上一个 r 这不是我的就是 my I like my book. I like my book. I like your book. I like my book.
My book.
Select what you hear. Select what you hear. My
Book.
book. My book. Select the pairs. Select the pairs. You.
You.
Chinese.
Chinese.
English.
English.
Your.
Your.
Like.
Like.
I like my English teacher.
Use Chinese to write the sentence. I like my English teacher. I like my English teacher. I like my English teacher. Select the pairs. Like.
Like.
I. Chinese.
Chinese.
Chinese. Student.
Student.
You.
You.
Challenge. Challenge question. Challenge question. Use English to write this sentence. 你的老师，你的 your teacher,
Teacher.
your teacher. This is your teacher. This is your teacher. Challenge question. Use English to write this sentence. 我的老师
My teacher.
my teacher, my teacher. 好厉害 Excellent. Good job, everybody. 谢谢你们的观看。我希望你们喜欢这个视频。下次见，再见，拜拜。Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.